Upbeat music plays. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the place where we help you spend your cash like a boss. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning appliances. We're comparing the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam all-in-one vacuum against the Dirt Devil Steam Mop. You might be thinking, why do I need to compare these? They're just mop, but oh, my friend, you're in for a treat. It's about to get steamy in here. Let's start with price. The Bissell PowerFresh is priced around $185, which might feel like a splurge for some. However, many Amazon reviewers argue that it's worth every penny, especially for its 2-in-1 functionality. On the other hand, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop comes in at a much more budget-friendly $74, making it a popular choice for those looking to save without sacrificing quality. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and effectiveness, suggesting it's a steal for anyone on a budget. Next up is functionality. The Bissell PowerFresh is celebrated for its versatility, allowing you to vacuum and steam simultaneously, which reviewers have found to be a game-changer for cutting cleaning time in half. However, some noted that while the steamer is effective, it may not be as powerful as expected. In contrast, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is straightforward, focusing solely on steaming with a quick heat-up time of just 30 seconds. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness on sealed hard floors, making it a reliable choice for quick cleanups. Ease of use is another important factor. The Bissell features easy-touch digital controls that allow you to switch between settings effortlessly. Reviewers have mentioned that even those who are not tech-savvy find it simple to operate. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil's 180-degree swivel head makes it highly maneuverable around furniture, which reviewers love for its ease of use. However, some users have noted that its height can be uncomfortable for taller individuals. Finally, let's talk sanitation. The Bissell PowerFresh claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, a feature that many reviewers appreciate for peace of mind. They believe it does an excellent job of sanitizing their floors. In contrast, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is effective at cleaning but doesn't focus as heavily on germ elimination. While it effectively removes dirt, some users feel it lacks the sanitizing power that the Bissell provides, likening it to the difference between a doctor and a janitor. Both are important, but one is more thorough. In summary, the Bissell PowerFresh is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool that many reviewers deem worth the investment, especially for its dual functionality. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and ease of use, making it a solid choice for those looking for a reliable and budget-friendly cleaning solution. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done quickly, the Dirt Devil is your best bet. But if you're willing to splurge a little for some serious cleaning power, the Bissell PowerFresh might be worth it. Either way, you'll be cleaning like a pro. Remember, whether you're vacuuming or steaming, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future comparisons. And tell us in the comments below which product you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it fun.